Model, 68-plate Ford Ranger Wildtrak 4x4 double cab 3.2 Tdci Automatic non-runner head gasket No Vat. Body, blue 4x4. Mileage, 120514. MOT, the 25th of October 2025. Engine, 3198 cc 3.2200 PS Tdci. Transmission, automatic. Mechanical summary, tries to fire, head gasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing whilst cranking. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest pickup which has been well looked after. Features, cruise control, electric windows, parking sensors.